Hey there, medical professionals! Today I'm diving into a crucial topic: how to safely transport biological specimens. This is essential to ensure accurate lab results and maintain safety. So let's get into it. First things first, treat all biological specimens as hazardous and potentially infected. That means handling everything with utmost care to avoid contamination and accidents. Next, make sure the exterior of the specimen container is clean and free from any contamination. A soiled container can lead to cross-contamination or pose a risk during transit. Now, packing the specimen correctly is key. Use sufficient absorbent materials. These materials will absorb any spilled liquid if there's leakage or breakage, protecting both the specimen and those handling it. Speaking of containers, they must be leak-proof and unbreakable. Plastic containers are preferred since they're less likely to break compared to glass. Time is of the essence here. Promptly deliver specimens to the laboratory for accurate results. Delays can compromise the integrity of the specimen and affect the validity of the test. For culture specimens, some might require transport media. This media helps preserve the specimen during transit, ensuring it remains viable for accurate testing. Always check if the specimen you're transporting needs this extra step. Temperature control is another critical factor. If there's a delay in transport, refrigerate or incubate specimens at 37 degrees Celsius as needed. This helps maintain their stability until they reach the lab. Lastly, every specimen should come with a properly filled request form. This form guides the pathologist in selecting the suitable media or appropriate technique for analysis. It's like a map that ensures the specimen gets the right treatment in the lab. So, to recap, handle specimens as hazardous, keep containers clean and unbreakable, pack with absorbent materials, deliver promptly, use transport media if needed, maintain proper temperature, and always include a detailed request form. Following these general considerations will help ensure the safety and accuracy of your specimens during transport. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and keep practicing excellent specimen handling. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. See you next time.